Guys, today I'm going to speak about this doll that I got from AmiAmi. AmiAmi is the largest retailer of anime scale figures in Japan. They ship globally. Also, they stock some of the dolls, this Momoko from Petworks included. This was a recent release. This girl is called Bebichicchi Idol, and there were two versions. One is a pink one that I have here, and the other one is this light blue pastel color. Her clothes wasn't as interesting as this one, so I decided to go with the pink one. Yeah, this is how she looks like. Today I'm going to unbox her, and yeah, what I wanted to say is that usually, like, the manufacturer of Momoko is actually called Petworks, but since some time ago they sold their license to a company called Sekiguchi, and this company is mass producing Momokos. Again, I don't think that it's like mass produced as like Barbies or Lika-chans or wherever, but still, like, the amount of the dolls that they're making is much more than Petworks. So what happened is that their price is much cheaper than the regular Petworks doll, around like 10,000 yen cheaper. And the quality because of this might be not great as well. I read on Reddit that some people were reporting that Momoko has like problems with joints. It doesn't move, or it can be easily broken when you try to pose the doll. And you know, when I was in Japan last year, I got my first Momoko doll. This one, she is also Sekiguchi Momoko. But as you can see, no problems with limbs whatsoever. She can be posed in any way you want. Legs as well, so no problems with this one. I'm actually very happy. I was very happy with her. I'm still very happy because she is like one of the prettiest girls that I own. So I was certain that buying a new Sekiguchi Momoko will be the same great experience, but unfortunately that wasn't the case. What happened is that I ordered it in at AmiAmi as soon as it was released. They sent me a Momoko, and when I unpacked her, I realized that her wrist wasn't moving, at all. I was upset, so I wrote them back saying like, hey, I tried to move one of the limbs on one of her wrists, it didn't work. And actually what happened is that when I tried to move it, it actually broke. So I glued it just a bit, but still, you know, it didn't work at all. It was moving whatsoever. And AmiAmi was like, okay, we will send you a replacement. So this is what happened. I paid for the shipping. They restored it via AmiAmi points, which I was fine with because I buy a lot of things from AmiAmi, so it's fine with me. And like 2 or 3 weeks after, I finally got my replacement, which is this one. Let's unbox her at first. So what I wanted to say is that the first thing that I wanted to check was the limbs, the wrist joints here. As you can see here, it moves perfectly, but here is the same problem, absolutely the same one. So it doesn't move. It doesn't move no matter what I do. And it looks like it's just, I don't know, it's kind of like stuck there. I wrote to AmiAmi back, and they said that they won't send another replacement, and that I need to try the like a heat from a hair dryer to see if it will start moving. We'll try that a little bit later. But yeah, a little bit disappointing to say the least. But let's go and unbox her. Okay, that girl is free now. So let's check her other limbs. Here everything is looking fine. She has like this very cute pants underneath. Her clothes is so cute. Yeah, it's actually a skirt and the blouse. I was thinking it's just the whole dress, but it's not. I don't know what kind of material they use for her hair, but it's super neat and cute. Let's remove this one. Yeah, like super cute. Otherwise, it's only this small joint thing that is bothering me. Doesn't move at all. Yeah, very cute girl. Okay. Okay, this is all her socks. Her shoes. The pin in her hair. I asked for the partial refund on AmiAmi, but they said it's not possible. So only what they can do is offer me a full refund. But for this, I need to send her bag again, and I really don't want to go through all this trouble. And I actually really like her. Like, look at her, she's so pretty. I really want to have her in my collection. Look at this socks, so cute, so like kawaii style and also sexy as well. Love it. Okay, shoes are next. Like, what I like about Momoko is that shoes they made with such details, so classy, and quality is always there. I mean, so beautiful. For example, this Momoko that I have here, she is like a very basic. I think she was like around 8,000 yen, which is super cheap. Maybe what right now, probably around 60 euro, maybe even less than that. I don't know. But look at her sneakers. Like, they look like real Converse. So much details. Even here you can see it's written Momoko doll. like the laces, like a piece of art. Very beautiful. By the way, this is not original dress with what she came in. She came in very basic white dress with a Bebichicchi character on it. It was super basic. And this one is a handmade that I bought on Mercury. Okay. Now let me try to add the shoes. Okay, this is one shoe. Okay, and this is the other shoe. Look at her, so pretty, really pretty. These are cute ones, super good. Yeah. This is really bothering me. And this is the last step, is the pin, hairpin. Very cute, super cute. And there is this pin thingy, so you can just something like this, I guess. I guess something like this. I don't know. I think I will have to check how it looked on her promo pics. Not really sure this is how it should look like.
A few moments later.
So I managed to put the hairpin off the camera, and now it looks absolutely as on her promo pics. See? It's very beautiful. Her makeup is so bold, very blushy look with this hot pink color, especially compared to the Momoko that I already have. See, like this one, she has much like neutral undertone makeup. She has a little bit of orange blush, but nothing too crazy. As well as her lip color is like on neutral side. This girl has more like glossy lips type of thing going on. And you know what also happened off the camera? I decided to try AmiAmi's advice and use my old hair dryer to warm up the problematic wrist, this one. I just turn on my hair dryer and put near the wrist for a couple of seconds, say maybe 30 seconds or wherever, because it's also a little bit dangerous to do it for a long time because there is a possibility to damage the plastic. And what happened is that it works now. Can you imagine? It works now. Like, oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that it works. Look, it absolutely works. Oh my god. Now I can sigh in relief because, yeah, it took a lot of trouble. I mean, for sure, Momoko dolls, especially the Momoko dolls that are produced under Sekiguchi, are considered on the cheaper side of all the Japanese dolls for collectors, because she was like 14,000 yen, which is around 75-80 euro, while like other brands, for example Blights, are like over 2,000 yen. Oh sorry, not 2,000, like 20,000 yen, which is like over 100 euro or something. Also Azon and Pulip, they're all in the same like price bracket as well, so they're much more expensive than this girl. But still, I think 80 euro is a lot of money. It definitely can get you some groceries for, I don't know, 2-3 days for sure. So I don't think it's that acceptable that customers have to deal with these broken wrists, joints, and all of that. So probably Sekiguchi and their pet work, they need to put more attention to their quality control. This what would I say? Yeah. But overall, she's very pretty. I don't regret buying her. But yeah, the whole situation kind of made me tired, and I'm just happy there was a happy end. Yeah. I don't know. Would I recommend buying Momoko doll? I mean, if you really like this realistic type of Japanese dolls, yeah, I would say definitely go for Momoko, because they are different from others. I mean, Blythe and Pulip, they have their own aesthetic with this big round heads and big eyes that can move. Azon are very popular as well, but they all like this, anime characters because their faces look very anime-like. And Lika-chan, of course, also looks like a character from shoujo manga. So this girl is the most realistic one, and I feel that Momoko's appeal to like Western customers a lot, just because they remind them about Barbies, like more realistic. I mean, would I buy Momoko again, considering that there might be some, factory defect or wherever? I might get another one if there will be like outfit or like hair color that I really like, but they are not priority in my collection, I would say. What I really want to buy is like male version of Momoko, also produced under Petworks. I don't remember the name in Japanese. It's like Danshi something. I don't remember. I will put a picture of the guys. They're like super expensive. They're like over 20,000 yen for sure. But I'm going to Japan this year, and I will go to Akihabara where they are sold. So I will just have a look and then decide if I actually want to spend my money on them or not. But it would be nice to have, like a guy for these girls for sure. Yeah, I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Tell me in the comments if you have ever bought Momoko dolls. What kind of dolls do you collect? Do you think it's worth the money or not? Do you like this type of the girls? Yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.